Welcome to the Arizona desert, a place many think is empty, a vast stretch of sun-baked earth where little could possibly survive. But look a little closer, and you'll discover it's actually bursting with life, color, and energy at every turn. This immense landscape in the American Southwest is part of the Sonoran Desert, which is recognized as one of the greenest and most biologically diverse deserts on the planet. It's not just endless sand and rocks. It's a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, featuring dramatic mountains, winding canyons, and the towering, iconic saguaro cacti that stand like silent sentinels across the land. Unlike many deserts, the Arizona desert receives more rainfall, especially during the summer monsoon season, which transforms the landscape and allows a surprising variety of plants and animals to thrive here. From fiery sunsets that paint the sky in brilliant shades of orange and purple, to rugged mountains that rise dramatically from the desert floor, this land is full of adventure, mystery, and breathtaking beauty. If you take the time to look closer, you'll find a hidden world of fascinating creatures and unique plants, each with its own incredible story of survival and adaptation to the harsh desert environment. So get ready to explore the wild heart of America. Lace up your boots, grab your hat, and prepare to uncover the secrets and wonders of this remarkable desert landscape. Along the way, we'll meet tough animals that have mastered the art of survival, resilient plants that bloom against all odds, and discover how life not only endures but flourishes in the heat and aridity. The Arizona desert is a living testament to the power, resilience, and beauty of nature, full of wonder, surprise, and stories waiting to be told. Let's dive in together and discover the wild wonders that await in the heart of Arizona's desert. The Arizona desert's climate is a story of extremes, a true test for survival. Summer days can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, while nights drop quickly to chilly temperatures. The dry air means little moisture, shaping everything from the land to animal behavior. Many animals become nocturnal to escape the daytime heat. Winters can bring freezing nights and even the rare dusting of snow on cacti. Rain is precious, arriving mainly in two seasons: winter and the dramatic summer monsoons. Monsoon storms bring lightning, heavy rain, and transform the desert. Flowers bloom, animals emerge, and dry riverbeds fill. The landscape is carved by sun, wind, and water, with open spaces, rugged mountains, and a mosaic of sand and stone. Desert plants like the ocotillo and barrel cactus dot the scenery, each adapted to survive the harsh climate. The Arizona desert is ancient, wild, and full of raw, natural beauty. Every drop of rain and every degree of temperature shapes life here. It's a place where only the most adaptable survive. Let's meet some of the Arizona desert's most remarkable animals, each with their own fascinating story of survival and adaptation. The clever coyote is a master of adaptation, eating everything from rabbits to cactus fruit and thriving in almost any condition. Coyotes are known for their intelligence and resourcefulness, often using teamwork to hunt or scavenge. Their haunting calls echo across the desert at night, a reminder of their presence in this wild landscape. The Gila monster, one of only two venomous lizards in the world, stores fat in its tail and can go months without eating. Its striking black and orange pattern warns predators to stay away, and its slow, deliberate movements help it conserve precious energy in the harsh desert heat. Harris's hawks are the wolves of the sky, hunting in family groups to catch prey in the open desert. Their unique social structure allows them to cooperate and outsmart their prey, making them one of the few raptors that hunt in packs. Each animal has unique strategies for beating the heat. Coyotes are active at dawn and dusk when temperatures are cooler. Gila monsters spend most of their lives underground to avoid the sun, and hawks soar high above or rest in the shade during the hottest parts of the day. These adaptations help them survive scorching days and cold nights. The desert's temperature swings can be extreme, so finding shelter and conserving water are essential for survival. The desert is alive with creatures that have mastered the art of survival. From tiny insects to large mammals, every animal has a role to play in this delicate balance of life. From the howling coyote to the slow-moving Gila monster, every animal plays a role in this ecosystem. Their interactions shape the desert's food web and help maintain its unique biodiversity. Their behaviors and teamwork are key to thriving in such a challenging environment. Whether hunting in groups or finding clever ways to stay cool, these animals show us the power of cooperation and adaptation. The Arizona desert is a living laboratory of adaptation. where every day is a test of resilience and ingenuity. Every creature here is a testament to nature's ingenuity, showing us how life can flourish even in the most unforgiving places. Let's discover how they make the desert their home, and what we can learn from their remarkable ability to adapt and survive. The desert is home to some of nature's most ingenious survivors. The desert tortoise digs deep burrows to escape extreme temperatures. These shelters are so effective, other animals use them too. The kangaroo rat never drinks water. It gets all its moisture from seeds and produces highly concentrated urine to conserve fluids. By staying underground during the day and foraging at night, it avoids the worst of the heat. The western diamondback rattlesnake uses heat-sensing pits to hunt in total darkness and warns intruders with its rattle. Each of these animals has evolved unique tools for survival: burrows, water-saving bodies, and heat vision. They don't just survive, they thrive, turning the desert's challenges into opportunities. Adaptation is the key to life here. The Arizona desert is a showcase of nature's problem-solving skills. Every creature is a specialist in survival. Desert animals owe their survival to the incredible plants around them. The saguaro cactus, towering over 40 feet, stores hundreds of gallons of water and provides homes for birds and insects. The ocotillo appears lifeless most of the year, but after rain, it bursts into green leaves and fiery red flowers, feeding hummingbirds and insects. The palo verde tree, with its green bark, can photosynthesize even after dropping its leaves to conserve water. Desert plants have shallow roots to quickly absorb rain or deep tap roots to reach underground water. Waxy coatings and spines protect them from thirsty animals and harsh sun. These plants are the foundation of the desert ecosystem, offering food, water, and shelter. Their survival strategies are as remarkable as any animal's. Every plant is a master of timing and resourcefulness. Without them, the desert's web of life would unravel. The Arizona desert's true strength lies in its roots. The Arizona desert is full of surprises, offering far more than just endless sand and scorching sun. It's a landscape shaped by extremes, but also by resilience and hidden beauty. After rare, perfect rains, a super bloom transforms the desert into a sea of wildflowers, an unforgettable sight. For a few magical days, the arid ground bursts into color, attracting pollinators and visitors alike. These blooms are a reminder of how life can thrive even in the harshest places. The desert's unique smell after rain, called petrichor, is nature's signal of renewal, created by plant oils and soil bacteria. This scent drifts on the breeze, signaling to animals and plants that water has returned, if only for a short while. Some animals have built-in cooling systems, like the jackrabbit, which uses its huge ears to release heat and stay cool. These remarkable adaptations help desert creatures survive the intense heat and scarce water. The ground itself is alive with cryptobiotic soil, a fragile crust of bacteria, mosses, and lichens that holds the desert together and nourishes plants. This living layer prevents erosion, stores moisture, and is essential for the ecosystem's health. This living soil is easily damaged, reminding us how delicate the ecosystem is. Even a single footprint can take years to heal, showing just how important it is to tread lightly. Even the smallest details, like a scent after rain or a crust on the ground, are vital to desert life. These subtle features support a web of life that's often overlooked. The desert is a place of hidden wonders and ingenious solutions. From camouflaged animals to plants that store water, every organism has a unique way to survive. Every adaptation, from flower blooms to animal ears, tells a story of survival. These stories are written in the landscape, waiting for curious eyes to notice. The Arizona desert is more complex than it first appears. Its vastness hides intricate relationships and ancient secrets, shaped by time and weather. Its secrets are everywhere, waiting to be discovered. Each visit reveals something new, from rare wildlife to unexpected bursts of color. Respecting these wonders is key to keeping the desert wild. By exploring thoughtfully and protecting what we find, we help ensure the Arizona desert's magic endures for generations to come. The Arizona desert is tough, but its balance is fragile. Every plant and animal plays a vital role. Remove one, and the whole system can unravel. Habitat loss from expanding cities destroys homes and blocks migration routes for wildlife like bighorn sheep. Pollution, from trash to city lights, harms animals and disrupts natural behaviors. Water is the desert's most precious resource. Overuse can dry up springs and rivers, devastating wildlife. Protecting the desert means leaving space for nature, keeping it clean, and conserving water. Even small actions like picking up trash or turning off lights make a difference. The desert's survival depends on our choices. By understanding its needs, we can help it thrive. The Arizona desert is a living treasure worth protecting. Our actions today shape its future. Let's be stewards of this wild land. We all have a part to play in protecting the Arizona desert. Practice leave no trace. Pack out your trash and stay on trails to protect fragile soil. Learn about the desert's plants and animals and share your knowledge with others. Support conservation groups working to preserve wildlands and restore habitats. Conserve water and reduce waste in your daily life, no matter where you live. Every small action adds up to big change for the desert. Being a guardian means making mindful choices every day. The desert's future depends on all of us. Together we can keep this wild place thriving for generations. As our journey ends, I hope you see the Arizona desert in a new light. It's not empty. It's alive with color, resilience, and beauty. Here, a kangaroo rat survives without water, and a saguaro cactus becomes a home for countless creatures. The desert teaches us about adaptation and the strength of life. Its beauty is found in silent landscapes, fiery sunsets, and wildflowers after rain. This land is a living museum full of unique plants and animals found nowhere else. By protecting the desert, we preserve a library of wonders and a source of inspiration. Remember the stories of the coyote, tortoise, and palo verde. The Arizona desert is a treasure. Let's cherish and protect it. Its wild spirit endures because of people who care. What an adventure. Let's keep the desert wild for all to enjoy.